more in socialization. Monkeys have feelings of happiness, anger, sad and stressful based on their environment just like humans. They socialize themselves through vocalization by expressing feelings of anger in high pitch, joy in chattering, sadness in low pitch. They also use nonverbal communication to show emotion. Grooming is part of social behavior. They keep plucking bugs out of the fur of each other. This process goes for hours. They mostly travel in gangs. Their mood depends on the availability of food and shelter. If they have plenty of food, they keep harmony among themselves. If there is a shortage of food, they feel stressed and can be on edge. It will be harder for them to keep conflicts from occurring. This problem can be menacing to humans because the angry and hungry monkey do not understand and can attack on us. Their bite can prove deadly because it can cause anaphylactic shock in humans, killing them. But we humans know the value of animals. Interesting fact is that monkey have 334 species worldwide and India is rich with 15 species with approximately 50 million monkeys. As monkeys and humans have very close listening capacity, so it is difficult to make special technology for creating non-comfort zone for monkey without disturbing human. But Conceptmart overcame the challenges and came up with the product called Monkey Repellent. Conceptmart brought you the advanced eco-friendly technology that will help you to get rid of monkeys without harming them. Monkey Repellent is the device comes with ultrasound and sonic threading sound. The electronic instrument is an industrial product protects you from monkey at your office, warehouse, factory, and outdoor use. The modulated ultra and sonic frequency sound wave ranging from 16 to 70 kHz. Area covered from 3,000 to 6,000 square feet.